Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be sharing with you 10 free organic gardening hacks you never knew you needed. Make sure to watch each one because they are all super useful. So let's get started. 10. Start with healthy organic soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of successful organic gardening. Begin by testing your soil to determine its nutrient levels and pH balance. This knowledge will guide you in making necessary adjustments to provide the ideal environment for your plants to thrive. 9. Don't use chemical fertilizers. Don't use chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers can harm beneficial soil microorganisms and reduce soil fertility over time. Instead, opt for natural alternatives like compost, manure, or worm castings to provide essential nutrients for your plants while maintaining soil health. 8. Use compost to enrich soil nutrients. Compost is a nutrient-rich amendment that can significantly improve your soil's fertility and structure. Create your own compost pile by collecting kitchen scraps and yard waste, and let nature's decomposition process work its magic. 7. Practice crop rotation. Crop rotation is a technique where you change the types of crops you plant in a particular area each year. This practice helps break pest and disease cycles, making it an effective way to manage potential problems without relying on chemical interventions. 6. Don't use pesticides. Pesticides can have detrimental effects on the environment, human health, and beneficial insects. Instead, encourage natural predators like ladybugs and lacewings that feed on common garden pests. 5. Incorporate companion planting. Companion planting involves growing 2 or more crops together that benefit from each other's presence. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can help deter pests like whiteflies and tomato hornworms, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. 4. Use physical barriers to protect plants from pests. Physical barriers such as netting or row covers can effectively protect your crops from pests like birds, squirrels, or insects. These barriers allow you to maintain a pest-free garden while avoiding harmful chemicals. 3. Don't throw away old seeds. If you have saved seeds from your previous harvest, don't discard them right away. Old seeds may still be viable, and using them can save you money while potentially providing unique traits like disease resistance in your crops. 2. Reduce waste. By reducing waste, you not only decrease the amount of garbage you produce, but you also minimize the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Embrace composting, mulching, and natural pest control methods to create a sustainable and eco-friendly garden. 1. Mulch your plants. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, making it an excellent technique for improving plant growth and reducing water consumption. Use organic mulch, such as wood chips or straw, to provide additional benefits to your soil and plants. Now that you know some valuable tips for organic gardening, it's time to put them into practice and create a thriving, sustainable garden. Remember, the journey towards organic gardening is a gradual process. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more eco-friendly approach to gardening. Number 10. Don't buy treated seeds. Treated seeds may appear to be a convenient option, but they often come with synthetic coatings or chemicals that can have adverse effects on the environment and your health. Instead, choose untreated or organically treated seeds to ensure that you're restarting your plants off on the right foot. 9. Avoid systemic pesticides. Systemic pesticides can pose risks to beneficial insects, wildlife, and humans. Instead, opt for contact pesticides made from natural ingredients, like neem oil or insecticidal soap, that target specific pests without harming the entire ecosystem. 8. Don't use glyphosate-based herbicides. Glyphosate is a widely used herbicide that has raised concerns about its safety. Consider alternatives like vinegar or boiling water for spot treating weeds, as they can effectively eliminate weeds without the potential risks associated with glyphosate. Number 7. Stop using plastic mulch. Plastic mulch can leach harmful chemicals into the soil and is not biodegradable. Place it with organic options like cardboard, newspaper, or biodegradable plastic to minimize your environmental impact and maintain soil health. 6. Don't buy genetically modified plants. Genetically modified or GMO plants may offer certain advantages, but they can also pose risks to biodiversity and the environment. Choose non-GMO seeds and support the preservation of natural plant varieties. Number 5. Avoid monoculture farming. Monoculture, the practice of growing a single crop over vast areas, can lead to soil depletion and increased pest and disease pressure. Diversify your crops and rotate them regularly to promote soil health and ecological balance. 4. Don't use excessive amounts of water. Excessive watering can lead to water waste, soil erosion, and even damage your plants. Implement water-saving techniques like drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting to provide your garden with the moisture it needs while conserving this precious resource. 3. Avoid importing soil. Importing soil can introduce invasive species, pests, or diseases into your garden ecosystem. Whenever possible, use locally sourced soil and amend it naturally to maintain the health of your garden and protect its biodiversity. 2. Don't release non-native species. Releasing non-native plants or animals into your garden may seem like a harmless idea, but it can disrupt the local ecosystem and outcompete native species for resources. Choose plants that are native to your area to support local wildlife and maintain ecological balance. 1. Avoid over-tilling your soil. Over-tilling can damage soil structure, reduce beneficial soil organisms, and increase soil erosion. Minimize soil disturbance and preserve the soil's natural structure and biological activity by tilling only when necessary. In conclusion, embracing organic gardening practices not only benefits your plants and the environment, but also enhances the overall quality of your garden. By avoiding harmful substances and embracing natural methods, you can create a thriving, sustainable garden that provides you with fresh, nutritious food while supporting a healthy ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions you have. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.